Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Find X3 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter password and security. Go to lock screen password and unlock it with your current password. As you can see right here, we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Firstly, let's set up numeric password. And now we've got another 3 numeric password types: 6 digits password type, 4 digit and 4 to 16 digits. Let's only set up 4 digits password type because basically they are the same and the only difference in numeric password is in length. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select alphanumeric password, and to create it you have to enter 4 to 16 letters and numbers. Again, use it to unlock the phone. And in the end, let's set up pattern. To create it, you have to connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, we can proceed to biometrics. Let's go back and enter face. To set up face unlock, scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select fingerprint, add fingerprint and scan it on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done and it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.